So now you have some money, a problem you wish to solve. I suppose now you need to get down to action, right?
And not just without a plan. Who does what and when? Step 6 shows us how to draw up an action plan really simply. We also have to remember that we need to stick to the budget so that we can spend the money wisely.
For the benefit of the project.
Exactly. Resources must be carefully looked after and accounted for. The results of the action plan must also be written down or recorded somehow. Let's have a look at planning and budgeting.
Step 6. Planning actions and budgeting. Draw up an action card. This is compulsory. Each main action will have smaller actions that take place in order to complete the main action. Make the main action your heading in bold or capital letters and have one action per card. You can complete the main action sections once you've got the sub-actions completed. For example, the main action in this table is painting a mural. The sub-actions are get permission to paint the wall and then get quotes for paint and brushes, and so on. Action. Put one main action per card with smaller actions that lead up to completing that major action on the same card. People. Be specific to show the roles people played in the actions. Write names as much as possible instead of only the whole team all the time. Resources, info we have. First see what you have so you don't have to waste time getting items that exist already. Ask the teachers for help in finding these resources if you need to. Resources, info we need. Now that you know what you have, you can list what you need to get in order to take the action. You can ask for help from teachers, parents, SGB, businesses in your area, media, etc. Time cost. You need to budget your time to make sure you are able to devote enough time to your schoolwork, chores, socializing, sports, and of course, your YCAP project. Make sure you don't procrastinate. This means waste time by doing other unimportant things. Money we have. Your school may have a small budget available for the project you want to do, so find out if you can use any of it. If not, you will need to raise the money. Money we need. You can do fundraising by selling products or services at school or outside of school, having events or campaigns where people pay to take part. You can write letters to companies to donate items or money to help you with your project. And you can approach the media to get the public to support you as well. Timetable example. When budgeting your time, you will need to draw up a timetable to plan your weekly activities in advance. You can make small changes as the week goes on, but be sure you have your goals for the week ready and times allocated in advance. This will help you to be more relaxed and not worry about missing deadlines for your schoolwork, chores, or YCAP project. Budget. What we need to fundraise. Once you know how much funding you need to start your project, check if there is any available money you can use for it. Perhaps the principal will allocate some funding to your project as it helps your school anyway. Keep a record of the funds you can get easily. Then brainstorm how you can raise these funds, as some team members may have creative ways to raise the money. If in doubt, do internet research. Ask your parents or teachers for advice or ask other friends. Then put this together in a table. To work out your profit from your sales or fundraising, do this simple calculation. Money we raised minus money we spent equals net profit, or what is left over.